Hi everyone, Josh here. Today I'm going to show you how to program orbiting. When the computer finishes booting, you'll arrive at this screen. Using the crane button, tab through until you see the word orbit. And you'll arrive at this screen on the crane arm. By default, the orbit will be a cylinder, but you have the option to choose a sphere. Now you need to give the computer the distance between the camera and our talent. In this example, the camera will travel around our talent in a radius of 3 meters. You will activate the orbit using the blue button on the pickle. If the grip swings the crane, the telescope will maintain the 3-meter radius automatically.
A second technician must monitor the crane while orbiting. Pulling in or using W will retract the telescope automatically.
If you only want to travel on a segment of the orbit, set an end stop with the telescope. If you have left the orbit and would like to go back to the last orbit, hold the dead man and press the blue button, which will begin a fast flash. Tee down on your safety rocker, get back to the orbit, and look for the slow pulse. Release your safety rocker, you're back on your orbit.